Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to unbox this Seagate Backup plus Slim hard disk drive. It's 1 TB hard disk drive and it's very slim. It has a compatible app by which we can arrange our photos and other lots of features. Let's look at the unboxing and the review of the same. So without any further discussion, let's start the video. So this is the box packaging. It looks like this. There are some few features given here and it's compatible with Windows and Mac both. So first let me just tear the cover and I will open it. So first, after all we open it, we get some things inside the box. First of all, we get a main hard disk packaging and few other documents, anything placed inside the pack. So we get a startup guide, a warranty card, and applications manual guide which tells us about the arrangement of the photos and videos in your drive and how to do the same. So it has a preloaded software inside it by which we can rearrange and reorder our photos properly. So this is the main hard disk drive. It's slim. We'll look at it later. This is the USB to hard disk drive cable. It looks like this and it has dual USB port. Then the next thing is the main hard disk drive. So this is how it looks. It is very slim and small. It has an LED indicator and a USB port at the top. So we can insert the cable in here and use the USB port to connect to our laptop and back up our data. So this is how it looks. It has some wavy design on the front side and this is how it looks. It's very small. Now I will connect it to my computer and show you the application and its interface. I will just give a view. So let me open the application. Attach my hard disk drive and the antivirus is scanning for it, so it would take some moments. Till then I will tell you that the Backup plus Slim hard disk drive is very easy to handle and operate. It's very small. You can just keep it in your pocket and just carry it anywhere, wherever you want. So I've opened the application. Its interface like this and it comes in a small window. So let it just open. Till then we will wait. And this application is given or provided by the Seagate company. So it has three options: backup, restore and mirror. And when we click on the main backup option, then we get some information and backup and mirror to backup slim, hard disk information and other settings. When you click at the three dots at the side, you get different options. This was the quick view of the Seagate Backup plus Slim and its application. You can arrange or rearrange or properly arrange the photos and videos in your computer with the help of the application provided in it. That was the quick review and unboxing of this hard disk. See you. Take care. Bye bye. Do like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.